Welcome to Home of Math. Today we try to solve these fractions. Here is x square minus 3x minus 4 divide x square minus 4x divide x square minus 4x plus 4 divide x square minus 4. This is very important math. So first, this expression we try to simplify by middle term factor. How? Look, here is x square and here is 4. 4 times 1 means 4 and 4 minus 1 equals to 3. So we can write minus 4x plus x minus 4. And here we can take common x. So here is x minus 4. Divide. Here is again we can factorize by middle term factor. X square minus 2x minus 2x plus 4. Okay, divide. Here is x square minus 4. We can write x plus 2 times x minus 2. Okay, here we can take common x. So x minus 4 and take common 1, again x minus 4, and here is x minus 4. Divide. Here is x minus 2, take common minus 2, x minus 2. Divide x plus 2 and x minus 2. Okay, so now we can take common x minus 4. So here is x plus 1, again x minus 4. Divide x minus 2 times x minus 2, x plus 2 times x minus 2. Okay, again x minus 4 times x plus 1, x minus 4, and this divide sign we can write product sign. So this denominator become numerator. So x plus 2 times x minus 2. Divide x minus 2 times x minus 2. So now look, this x minus 2 we can cut. Here is x minus 4 we can out. So our answer is here is x plus 1 and x plus 2 divide x times this x minus 2. So this is our answer. Another math for today. Here is first fractions where 10 DEF divide 30F plus 30D minus 30E. Another fractions 12D minus 12E plus 12F divide 8EF. So here 10 DEF and here we can take common 30. So we can write F plus D minus E times, here also we can take common 12. So here is D minus E plus F divide 8EF. Look, here is F plus D minus E. Here is also same thing, F plus D minus E. The sign are same but sequence is different. It's no problem because A plus B or B plus A is the same thing, similar, a minus a plus b or b minus a are also same. Okay, so in this case this one and this one we can out. Here is f and here is f, we can out. This one is e and this one is e, we can out. And now look, here is 10 and here is 12 and here is 30. So 10 times 12 is 120. Divide 30, we can write for 4. Okay, so our answer is 4D. Divide what? Divide nothing. Okay, does it okay? No, it's not okay. Why? Because here is 30 and here is also 8. You never make answer excluding D. So 30 plus D is a what? So here is 4D and here is 8. So 2. Our answer is D divide 2. Okay. So if you make mistake or if you violate D, the answer will be changed. So our right answer is D divide 2. This is a very small math but very important. Okay, thank you.